If I had a house like this, maybe I wouldn't mind an end-of-the-world type scenario at all. I'm talking about a 4,200 square feet mansion located in Yellow Jacket, a deserted town in Colorado, US. I call it a mansion only for its interiors. From the outside, it looks every bit like the disaster-ready, Armageddon-proof house that it's supposed to be. The walls of this house are made of reinforced concrete and are lined with thick steel. This makes the structure so strong that it has been declared nuclear-rated by its online listing on curb.com. From the outside, it seems like a desolate and boring building in the middle of nowhere, but on the inside it's a luxury home, complete with designer furniture and beautiful interiors. The only proof that the house is a luxury survival bunker are the overhead metal air ducts that traverse almost every room. The ducts are meant to close off in the case of emergencies, like if the air gets contaminated from a gas leak. The survival house was built in 2003, and is now available on the market for the first time. According to the online listing, it is priced at $11.5 million. And if you can't afford to pay that kind of cash, there is always the renting option. If you're not ready to put down that kind of cash on Doomsday prognostication, the place kindly offers to take you and your kin for $19,500 a month per head. Yes, you'd have to pay that amount for each member of your family. But then if the world is ending and you have no use for money, staying in this house might just be your safest bet.